This video is for the 7th grade Fair Use Project Assignment 1, create a drawing and license it. First you're going to go to drive.google.com, then you're going to click on New, then you'll click on More, and then you'll click on Google Drawings. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to give your drawing a name, so you're going to click where it says Untitled Drawing up in the top left corner. And I'm just going to go ahead and name mine Smiley Face, so you're going to name it whatever you're going to draw. And then you'll click on the share button in the top right corner. And from here you'll type in your partner's email address, and you want to make sure that you spell it correctly, otherwise they're not going to get it. And then what you'll do once you've typed in their email address, you'll just go ahead and click on send. Next, what you're going to do is your partner will check their email and they'll be able to get right onto this drawing with you. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add a shape. So you click on the shapes icon, which is the circle and square, and then you've got all different categories. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the smiley face, and here we go. Next, what you're going to do is draw a line. So you click on the drop down arrow next to the line icon, and you can choose whatever kind of line you want. I'm just going to go ahead and do a straight line, and I'm just going to go like this and draw a line from here to here. Next, what you're going to do is change the fill color. So you'll have to go ahead and click on the pointer to get out of the line tool, and then you can click on a shape and then click on the paint can, and then you can go ahead and choose a color. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose whatever color I want there. Then you're also going to change line colors. So if you click on a shape, the line color is the pencil, and you can just go ahead and choose whatever color you want. You can also change the line weight. That's the 3 lines next to the pencil, and that'll make it thicker. So now we have thicker lines. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you change at least 2 of these things, the line color, the fill color, or the line weight. So anyway, here's my drawing. So then what we're going to do is, if you have more than one thing, so let's say for example I want to give my smiley face a shadow, and then I want to send it behind the actual smiley face. I can click on that with 2 fingers apart like this, and then choose order and then send to back. So now it kind of looks like my smiley face has a shadow. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and then you're going to go to creativecommons.org/choose. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a Creative Commons license for your work. So it's going to ask, allow adaptations of your work to be shared. If you want people to be able to change it, hit yes. If not, click no. Or if you want other people to also need a Creative Commons license if they use your work, you'd click as long as others share alike. Allow commercial uses of your work. So if you don't want people to make money off of your work, you click on no. If you don't mind, then you would click on yes. So then the next thing you're going to do is just scroll down a little bit where it says have a web page, and here's your Creative Commons logo. You're going to do Control Shift and the button above the 6 key. And then what you'll do is you'll click and drag across that Creative Commons logo. And then you'll just go ahead and it's going to save it for you. So now you're going to click back over to your drawing. And then you're going to click on Insert up at the top, and then click on Image. You'll click on Choose an Image to upload. And from here, what you're going to do is you should see the screenshot that you just made. You'll click on that and click on Open. And then you would just want to put that somewhere in the corner of your drawing. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it a little bigger, and I'm going to stick it right here. And then what you're going to do is put in a text box. So you click on the T up at the top for text box, and then click and drag to draw a text box kind of in the bottom corner. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put in my name, so that way we know who it's by and we know how it's licensed. Next, what you're going to do is you're actually going to create another copy of the drawing and just change it ever so slightly. So I'm going to click on File up at the top, click on Make a Copy, and then click OK. And from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to change the drawing so slightly. So what we'll do is, because we're going to animate it, we're going to make it with a mouth that's open in one copy and then a mouth that's closed with the other. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that line. So now what'll happen is next class we're going to animate it so that it'll look like this and then look like this. And just keep going back and forth, almost as if it's talking. But you can do any kind of change that you want for your drawings. And basically you just want to make sure also that both drawings are shared with both you and your partner. And that's it.